Hello guys, so this particular indicator is going to look into a very common issue and a very common request, and basically what it does is it looks into an EMA angle, okay, or a particular MA angle that we tell it to look into. But the problem is, right, that there are two ways to look at it, okay, and basically when we look at for example, this is so let's see, so we can select what this is. This is an HMA, okay, and so first of all, let's discuss how are we actually, like, how do we get the angle, okay? How do we find the angle of like a slope? Okay, obviously we have to make so we have to draw some sort of line. So let's imagine this is our MA, it's going up, and let's say we're somewhere here, okay, and this is our live bar. Okay, so let's be here. So this is our live bar, okay, and we want to what we want to do, sorry, we want to find this angle, we look at it visually and we see it's kind of about 15 degrees maybe, I don't know, and but how do we figure it out? So we step back, so we need 2 points, okay, so we have to have a look back, okay, and we connect the 2 points with a straight line and we form a triangle, okay, and this is the angle that we're going to be looking for, okay, and obviously then we use so tan alpha is actually gonna equal this opposite side divided by this adjacent side, okay, so opposite over adjacent. Okay, so to get the alpha, we need the arctan function, okay? And so after we get that function, we get the angle, okay? Problem is, so these values, okay? So we're going to be using this EMA value and this EMA value, or this EMA value, and I don't know, we could change the look back and plot a line like this and make a big triangle, etc., right? But it's still going to be EMA values, okay? And look at this. So this is one angle. This is about 45 degrees, right? And we can see it's actually 38. But what about this? This is really not 38. It's still showing 38 though. So we have two types of angles. So one that we actually see visually, and another one which we calculate using real MA values. Okay, and in this indicator, basically I demonstrate how to get both. So we see the degrees. So this is the calculator from the EMA, right, or whatever EMA you tell it to, and this is the angle that we actually see visually, okay, that we see visually on the chart. So this angle is calculated using coordinates, okay, coordinates that we actually see. You see it kind of changes. See, it's back to 53, okay, so that's almost 77 now. Okay, because I mean, visually it's actually easier sometimes, okay, but obviously, you know, if you automate this or you trade, you need some sort of indication of what it is, okay. So this indicator offers these two readings, plus you can actually plot the line, okay. So I can actually go back, so this is 5 bars, I don't know, I can go back 15, okay. Okay, there we go. I don't know why it took a while. Yeah, so you can see it's connecting 2 points, okay, and it's plotting a triangle. So if I actually see, you actually get a negative angle now, okay, because obviously the delta is negative. All right, so we're actually calculating this angle right here, okay, which is showing up as minus 35, right? Because we're actually looking at, yeah, so the inverse. So when it's negative, you know, it's scaling, it's going down always. Okay, so that's the indicator. You can download the source code and watch the videos on the code review and figure out how this is calculated. Okay, it's a pretty cool method. Take care.